Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to bring some light. The group that is paying this week for YIELDMax ETFs is their Group D ETFs. So let's look at what those are going to be consisting of. So a very popular fund of YIELDMax is MSTY. They are going to be paying this week alongside YQQQ, AMZY, APLY, AIYY, DISO, SQI, and SMCY. So let's look at the specific dates of when these are going to be getting paid out. So we are in this week of January. So YMAX and YMAG, the weekly pairs, as well as the Group D ETFs, the ones we just looked at, they will be going. So we'll actually have a no holiday this week. So it's going to be a normal schedule. So January 15th is going to be this Wednesday. They're going to go on ex-dividend date this Wednesday. I apologize. The announcement date is going to be this Wednesday, the 15th. The ex-dividend date is going to be this Thursday, the 16th. And then the payment date is going to be this Friday. So let's look at specifically MSTY and the dividend history for that guy. So, just looking from a price return, it's been getting smacked. The past month it's down 21%. Past 6 months, it is still ahead at 6.83% just from a price return perspective. Looking at the dividend history here on NASDAQ's website, if we go to the dividend history item here, you can see that data. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so $4, $3. What do you guys think they're going to pay out this month? If they can get another $3 payment, I think that would be good. Like we just looked at, it's down to $28, so it's pulled back a pretty significant amount. I will be interested to see, how this one shakes out for sure. Definitely one of their most popular funds. The performance in 2024 was massive, but Michael Saylor has been doing some interesting things with MicroStrategy, so it'll be interesting to see how things shake out. There's another fund that from this group that I'm interested in taking a look at, and that is AMZY. Kind of just want to see, I'm a believer in Amazon long term, and that's kind of what I like to, definitely focus on when, investing into these type of funds. So looks like they pay a 55% yield. Last month was 86 cents. Month before that was $1.17, 76 cents, 65 cents. It's currently at $18.78. So let's look at the charts. So what has it done in the past month? Overall, I think the market's kind of pulled back the past month. Yeah, same with AMZY. Past month, it's definitely, we were up a little bit higher for sure here. Up closer in the 20s, but it's pulled back a good bit. But let's see what other ones from this list do we want to take a look at here. So of the Group D funds, so MSTY is obviously one of the biggest ones, like we mentioned. Let's see what other ones we're going to look at. MSTY, YQQQ, AMZY, APLY is another one that I like. It's a smaller yielding one for sure, but Apple's a pretty solid stock in my opinion. Past month, it's been pretty choppy, but it's pulled back as well from 1850 to 1721. Let's look at the dividend history. Much smaller yielding fund as well at 30% though. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Are you an investor of any of these YIELDMax funds? APLY, AMZY, MSTY, are there any that are in your investment portfolio? Would love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Stay tuned for next week as these distribution announcement amounts will be released on Wednesday around 7 o'clock in the morning. So stay tuned for that, or definitely go check out their X page. They normally will post that data there around that time as well. So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe down below.